Today, we receive the position hardware parts from the customer samples. After the production is completed, quickly complete all keys 2D dimensions and make a chain judgment on the good part. For this in mind, we recommend QMC one-click flash measurement instrument solution. After the part is placed stably on the measuring table, when click start, it can be completed high-precision 2D sized measurements. Good partial O-kit and defective part shows NG. After measurements, the report is automatically output and save dated.